Hi, we are Jorian and Sandra.
And this is our minivan. Well, not so mini anymore.
Since we like to be a little bit different, we spray painted our van in lots of colors, covered in rainbows, peace, love and flowers. We also have a very retro interior with lots of color.
And the pop-off roof we built ourselves with a solar panel on it.
We have a fully equipped kitchen with a 2-burner stove on which we can cook inside
And outside. We made a special table which is easy to install so we can cook most of the time outside.
So we have a 42-liter fridge. In this compartment we keep all the kitchenware, including wine glasses. And this goes in a PVC holder. Only the problem is I already wrecked one. I smacked it off the table. Other compartment is the storage for food and pans. This is our fire extinguisher, and we have a gas alarm.
It's a big table, but I need this. Here's our 30-liter water tank and the wastewater tank, and we have bubbles! And here is Fudge's food and hammock behind the barbecue. We'll show it all!
And a fast forward, which you will see now.
Since we have such a tiny van, we really need to use all small space. You won't find a place we didn't use for all our stuff, for all our adventures.
So thank you for watching. We hope you liked the tour of our little hippie van.
Bye bye!
Ciao!